Let's dive straight into fixing your biological blueprint. We're going to see exactly how to repair it today. So, why do your physical gains suddenly just hit a brick wall no matter how hard you train?
Well, it isn't just muscle fatigue, right? It's actually a massive breakdown in your cellular communication.
Think of misfolded proteins like blurred, totally unreadable instructions scattered all over a busy construction site.
When those instructions blur from poor end-linked glycosylation, your cell's structural integrity basically just collapses.
The ultimate fix here is T8 Extra and its patented super bioavailable CYP-XP complex.
Here's how it works. Plant polyprenols convert into mammalian dolichols, rapidly fueling your cellular repair mechanism.
Fueling this Dolichol Phosphate Cycle fixes that blueprint, restoring that clear cellular communication you desperately need.
Now, to actually rebuild this blueprint, you just need 1 precise milliliter. That's the exact dosage.
Take 1 milliliter in room temp water twice daily. Avoid hot water so you don't destroy those compounds.
So, are you finally ready to fix your cellular blueprint and literally smash through that training plateau?